Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Grand Major Vidyapith, Standard 4. Students, today we'll start descending order. We'll do the revision. In that revision, we'll start descending order. So, in that, arrange the given fractions in the descending order. So, how we'll do? For example, here is arrange the given fractions in the descending order. 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 6 upon 7. So what will we do? We'll have to follow the steps. First of all, हमने जो learn किया था वो क्या था? That is the ascending order. Now we'll start descending order. So in that we'll follow the steps. Step number 1, check whether the fractions are like fractions. Step 2, count the numbers of the fractions and draw the many blanks. First of all, we have to check that this fractions is a like fractions or unlike fractions. If the fractions is alike, then what we have to do, we'll draw the blank line is there. Then we'll identify the fractions that the smallest numerical right in the last blank. Last blank में हम क्या करेंगे? Okay students, so what we have to do, we have to write first smallest number in the last blank. So in this 3 of them, smallest number is a 2 upon 7, so we'll write the 2 upon 7 in the last. Then bigger number to the 2 upon 7 is a 4 upon 7, we'll write in the second last, and the inner first row we have to write the bigger number, that is a 6 upon 7. Write the fractions, write the fractions with the biggest numerical in the first blank. So in that 6 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Got it everyone? Okay students, so now we'll start arrange the fractions in the descending order. So in that 5 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10. So what we have to do, we have to write the biggest number first. Biggest number is 7 upon 10, so we'll have to write 7 upon 10. Then smallest number to 7 upon 10, so that is a 5 upon 10, 2 upon 10 and 1 upon 10 is there. Okay. Then next number is a 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So first we have to write the 4 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Because of the 1 upon 5 is the smallest number and the 4 upon 5 is the biggest number. This all the things we have to write as a descending order. Then 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7 is there. So in that we have to write 6 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. Then 8 upon 9, 9 upon 9, 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. So what we have to do, 9 upon 9, 8 upon 9, 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. Now look at this everyone, I'll give you 1.5 minutes, you have to complete your work. You have to write it down in your rough book. As a revision part. Okay everyone? So look at this and write it down in your rough book. Students, now you also write the ascending order. Here our descending order is complete. Yesterday we learned about the ascending order. So you have to prepare the ascending order and the descending order. Both the things you have to write in your rough book. Okay, so that practice is good for you also. First you complete this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum. Okay students, so we'll write here revision maths standard 4th. In that question is add the following like fraction in your book. Okay, in your book. In that first one question is 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. So what we have to do? We have to write here 3 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8. This one is the first question. Second one is 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So in that what we have to do? 3 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to answer is 4 upon 5 is equal to answer is 4 upon 5. Now what you have to do students? Look at this both the sums. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. After that we'll start another sums. Okay? For more and more practice. If you are doing the more and more practice, then definitely will get more marks in a exam. Okay. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum. Next, third one sum is 6 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10. So in that we have to write here 6 plus 3 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10. And fourth one sum 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7. Now look at this both the sums everyone. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Write it down in your rough book. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay students, so next sum is a D1 sum. In there 4 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10 and E1 sum is 3 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. So what we have to do students? 4 plus 5 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10. And here 3 plus 5 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 8. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students. Now next one sum. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So in that we have to write 1 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. and next one is 6 plus 1 upon 9 is equal to 7 upon 9. Now look at this both the sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 week, you have to complete your work. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Now we will start next sums. Okay students, H1 sum 1 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. In that 1 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to answer is 3 upon 8. I1 sum 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. So in that 2 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7. Now look at this both the sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 week, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sums. Next sum is 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. So in that 1 plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 6 upon 4. And next is a 5 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. So in that 5 plus 2 upon 6 is equal to 7 upon 6. Now look at this both the sums everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 week, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sums. In that 10 upon 10 plus 9 upon 10. Answer is 10 plus 9. 19 upon 10 is a correct answer. Now next one is 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. So in that 3 plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 4. This is a correct answer everyone. Look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 week, you have to complete your work. You have to write it down in your rough book, this all the sums. Okay students, look at this first. Okay students, now next sum is 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 5. And next is a 4 upon 2, 4 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. So in that 4 plus 4 upon 8 is equal to 4 plus 4, 16 upon 8 upon 8 is a correct answer. 8 upon 8 is a correct answer. So students, you have to write these sums in your rough book and complete it. I'll give you 1 week, you have to complete your work. And students, today's your homework is, what was your homework is that? Your homework is you have to write this all the sums you have to write this all the sums and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group में ये जो मैंने revisions किए हैं additions of the subtractions, so you have to complete this all the sums and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is complete. So you have to send the homework in a WhatsApp group. Bye everyone, have a nice day.